Here's a reason to appreciate a little extra fat on your body. Some men and women are having it transferred to their faces. Some plastic surgeons are touting it as an alternative to a facelift. And one Texas plastic surgeon believes it could be a permanent fix for the sags and hollows aging our faces.
Hold that. Chin down a little bit.
With each click,
Great. Chin up just a little bit.
Corey Howell searches for that moment of pure beauty.
Very nice.
A moment of youth millions of Americans spent countless hours wishing they could have back.
Good.
Kathy Choate says that wish has come true. In the last 6 weeks, she says her face has rewound 10 years.
People comment that I just look more refreshed and, you know, what did you do? You know, they know I've done something, but they're not sure exactly what it is.
That something is fat grafting. Look at Kathy before and after.
What's great about fat grafting is that it truly helps to reverse the aging process.
Plastic surgeon Dr. Sam Lamb helped her eliminate the hollowing of her face without a scalpel or a bandage.
In a nutshell, to understand it, when we're young, we're a grape. As we get older, we become a raisin.
So Dr. Lamb specializes in rejuvenating faces by injecting them with his patient's own fat cells and contouring cheeks and eyes for a natural look. This patient of Dr. Lamb's is in her 70s.
I use a patient's old photographs, so at the end, the person looks like the same person. Most plastic surgeons really don't care about the way you used to look like.
It was very subtle, but to me, it's very dramatic.
Subtle change is what Terry Kelly is after, too.
Are you ready?
Terry is 47. She wants Dr. Lamb to replenish her sags and hollows and erase the mark of time under her eyes and cheeks. The fat from her abdomen is being used to recapture the glow of her youth. And 3 weeks later,
No, I like this much better.
she says the reactions from her family and friends have been the best part, but she did need some patience.
The procedure itself was easy. It was pain-free. The hardest part was that I thought I would recover a lot faster than I did.
Her bruising from the injections disappeared after about 2 weeks. So with no incisions, does this procedure carry any risk?
I think that's the biggest problem with fat injections is the predictability.
Dr. Gregory Nicolaitis says yes. He says in the wrong hands, fat injections can form lumps and lack longevity.
In areas like the lips, I don't recommend doing fat in the lips or around the mouth because it doesn't last very long and oftentimes can give you little lumps.
Dr. Lamb agrees. He says as a facial specialist, he sees other surgeons' mistakes all the time.
If it's in bad hands, the procedure can be very bad. You can be overcorrected, you can have lumps and bumps.
The only problem Kathy and Terry seem to have is pulling themselves away from the mirror.
My skin really is healthier. It looks healthier without makeup even than it did before. So, you know, it's much smoother. The contours are very smooth on my cheeks.
When I look at myself now, I see myself 10 years ago.
Dr. Lamb says fat transplants vary in price, but typically they're less than a normal facelift. For more information, you can head to our web link section of kview.com.